My name is Russ Horn, and today I'd like to show you 3 different ways I place a profit target. Now, these are going to be some very simple ways if you don't know where your profit target should be. So we're going to take this market as an example. We've got a potential short trade. So let's say we're going to sell this one. Now we're going to sell at this area here. We want to see the price just tag this level, and then we'll be short. So the stop loss will go just above the swing high. So now we know where our stop loss is. We know where we're getting into the trade. The first way to place a good take profit is simply by doing what's called a ratio. And a good ratio is 1-to-1. You've probably heard the 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So our stop loss is going to determine how big the take profit is. Now, if we have a stop loss in this case of 66 pips, our take profit will also be 66 pips. So we're looking at that 1-to-1 ratio. So let's just make sure that that's what we've got. So 65, 66 pips. So we've got option number 1 is the 1-to-1 ratio. Now, the ratio method can be done 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 1.5-to-1, but the most common one is 1-to-1. This is one of the easiest targets to get hit, and I will never use a profit target that is smaller than my stop loss. The next one that I like to use is recent areas of support and resistance. In this case, we're looking at a sell trade, so we're going to be using a recent area of support. So at the bottom, we've got this nice swing low. So I'm going to place a profit target at this swing low. Now, I don't want to place it right on the swing low. I want to give it a little bit of a halo. There's a chance that the price could get to this level without actually reaching that price. So we want to give that market a little bit of a window. So I'll just pull this up a little bit. And we have our second option for a good profit target using areas of support and resistance. Now, in this case, we know that the stop loss is 66 pips. So now our profit target is a little bit bigger, which is ideally what I'd like to see. We're looking at about 92 pips for this particular profit target. Now, the third way I like to place my profit target is something called leg length. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And we'll take a look at the distance the market seems to be able to repeatedly move. And I'm going to use a trend line for this. So I'll start at a high and draw a trend line to a low. And I'm going to compare that to other market movements. So this one is about the same. This one is a little longer, which is great. This one is about the same. So you can see what I'm doing is measuring these market movements. Now with that, I can place this trend line here. And again, I get this idea of what the market can potentially do as far as a market movement and place a target along those lines. So again, I could place a profit target at the bottom, but I don't want to place it at the very bottom. I want to give it a little bit of a halo. So we have this option number 3. These are the 3 different ways that I use to determine a good take profit for my trade. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.